There's a lot happening in the world of Microsoft Copilots. And today, I'm thrilled to walk you through some incredible advancements that are shaping the future of productivity with Microsoft 365 Copilot. As we dive into these updates from Ignite and Wave 2 of M365 Copilot, this isn't just a software update. It's a reimagination of how we work, collaborate, and innovate. Let me share my favorite top 5. In no particular order, each one of them is in my top list. First up, let's talk about Copilot Pages. Think of Pages as a living, breathing workspace where teams and AI can collaborate in real time. It's a digital canvas for seamless creation and iteration, and it's said to be a game changer for dynamic collaboration. With Pages, every document you create can evolve into a reusable asset, making knowledge sharing a natural part of your workflow. Next, let's look at Copilot in Excel. This now comes with Python integration. This means complex data analysis and visualizations are no longer reserved for data scientists. Anyone can unlock the insights without needing to be able to write code, opening the door for advanced forecasting and even machine learning right in Excel. Third, in PowerPoint, Copilot helps you create polished presentation with ease, using company templates and approved visuals, ensuring both speed and high quality. Also, the narrative builder aids in structuring and capturing your thoughts and ensuring great PowerPoint deck for you. And fourth, in Outlook, Copilot acts like a personal assistant, ensuring that important conversation, meetings, or emails threads is prioritized, helping you always to stay on top of your inbox, which has been a challenge for many of us. It also helps me respond with much more polished language, and I love that. And my fifth is Copilot in Teams, which will allow you to be able to interpret what is being shared on the screen, in addition to all the capabilities it already brought. It also gives details from chats and transcripts to bring you the most relevant information across what is being discussed, allowing you to stay focused. The impact of Microsoft 365 Copilot is already real. Organizations across industries and in India and South Asia are pioneering these tools, with thousands of employees unlocking further business value and personal productivity. Together, we are embracing an AI-powered future that values innovation, productivity, and growth. I encourage you to explore these new tools and see how they can transform the way you and your organization work. Together, let's look forward to the incredible possibilities that lie ahead in this exciting era of AI.